Hello, welcome back to Operation Crypto. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin Gold, which is BTG. We'll have a look over some of the basic fundamentals of a project, have a look at some key statistics, and then have a look at some chart analysis towards the end, see where you could potentially buy in, and what's happened in history back in time when we hit them all-time highs back in 2017. So if you have interest, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. Right, so let's take a look into Bitcoin Gold and see what it's all about. So it does say Bitcoin is for everyone and everything. Bitcoin Gold is BTG is a cryptocurrency with Bitcoin fundamentals mined on common GPUs instead of them specialized to ASICs computers. ASICs tends to monopolize mining to a few big players, but GPU mining means anyone can mine again, restoring decentralization and independence. GPU mining rewards go to individuals worldwide instead of mostly going to ASIC warehouse owners, recreating network effects that Bitcoin used to have. We have quite a well-used ecosystem now, so they are listed on 75 different exchanges. They have 18 different wallets you can store your BTG in, and then 12 pools which you can also join for mining. They also have $23.5 billion worth of trading volume that's happened in the past. We have $36 billion that has been totally transacted, and over 1 multi-million on-chain transfers that has already happened on the chain, that's quite big. On the Bitcoin Gold network, we also have a facility called BTG Pay, and that is about connecting merchant services and integrators with each other to build solutions, and then helping consumers find them. And here we have a breakdown of each individual. So a program that helps users find the right BTG-based debit card services for their needs and locations. A marketplace of merchants, where shoppers can easily find places to spend their BTG, and sellers can feature that they take Bitcoin Gold, so a big sticker saying BTG accepted here. You do see it on quite a few places now, just with Bitcoin, so BTG can get their sticker there as well if they can start to push that out. A network of partners, so that's solution providers, payment services, e-commerce integrators, to help merchants easily accept Bitcoin Gold. And finally, a brand that helps consumers easily see Bitcoin Gold is accepted where they are shopping. And it is broken down as users, partners and merchants. I'll just run over users because that's predominantly what we are, me, yourself, we're all investors and users. So we do have a robust network of advanced technology, so we have painless international payments, super low 1 cent fees. That is a big thing nowadays. Cryptocurrency is here to sort out them huge fees that Visa and World Banks absolutely smash you with, so seeing super low fees is a great option to have there. Over 2 million transacted with 0 outages. It's built on code, battle tested and proven by Bitcoin, and the Lightning network is on its way. Widely adopted, so like I said earlier, there's 20 plus wallets including Trezor and Ledger you can store it on, and then 40 plus exchanges. And then just for the last bit, it is a growing project still. Pretty much every project out there is growing. We're still in the early stages of cryptocurrency in my opinion. So over 100k followers and rising. The new partners coming on board weekly. Endowment ensures long-term stability and building relationships to benefit the whole crypto space. Moving over to CoinMarketCap, we can now look at some of the key statistics. So Bitcoin Gold, which is ticker BTG, currently ranked 53 out of all cryptocurrencies with a price of $9.30. We are up 0.5% of trading on the day. Current market cap $162 million. A maximum supply of 21 million BTG and a circulating supply of just over 17 million. What we're interested in here is finding out the all-time highs. So in that prior to the bull run really of 2017, we did it $539 per coin. So considering we're $9, that is a long way off, and you can see the chart there has been pretty flat ever since we had that all-time high. If we just take a look over the market pairs here, so 46% of the supply is getting on Bione, which personally I've never used it or heard of it. Upbit, and then we're getting a little bit of volume on Binance and Bitfun. OKX too, but as you can see, it is listed on a fair few exchanges here. It has been around a long time, so as you can see, the list is massive. Some of these aren't getting any volume down there, so you could say there's 60 anyway, 60 pairs getting some volume at the minute of time. we will just finish up here by taking a quick look over the charts. This is BTG US dollar chart. This is on Hit BTC. It does go back a little bit further than all of us, and we've had quite a bit of data, so I just want to just have a look at some potential entry points going forward. As you can see, the 13th of March, that's when Bitcoin had that crazy dump and we dropped down 57%. So what I need to do now is potentially look at some entry points to get back in if you are a holder or a trader of BTG. So let's just bring the Fibonacci up. So there we have it. So what I want to do is take the bottom candle there, the main body of it, and take it up towards the top. So which has been probably last week it was when it hit them highs there. But yeah, as you can see, it has had a fair bit of trading. It is very wicky. So what you want to do if you're thinking about getting into this for a future, I mean, what have we been recently? We've been up to, what we're on it daily, we have been up to $11, and we have shot right back down to $7 at some point. So it is swinging a fair bit, but in my opinion, we are going to drop a lot further. And to potentially look at entry points, you want to be looking down at $6. I think it will come back down there. We're only at $9 now, and it does make some big movements. So you will definitely catch a wick down at the $6 region. If you're feeling a bit cheeky, why not have some orders in at $5 and possibly below it? If you look at that wick down to $3.78, I mean, that's crazy, and it can happen again. If Bitcoin starts to dump, I think we're going to expect some of the others to follow. So yeah, I mean, with regards to a price prediction, I can't see us beating $500. There's not enough going behind this project. It's not solid enough in my opinion. But it's good for an investment. It's good for traders. You can see them wicks are massive. Try and get some spot orders in down here, and I think you'll definitely be able to get some percentage gains from that. So that will just wrap it up for today's video. That was just a brief insight to Bitcoin Gold, and have a look at the chart, what we'll be doing over the last couple of weeks. Please make sure you do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.